Hi there, fellow content creators and website owners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have got an incredibly important topic to discuss: getting your website approved by Google AdSense. If you have been struggling to get that coveted approval, you are in the right place. Stick around as we delve into some valuable tips and tricks that will greatly increase your chances of getting the green light from Google AdSense. Before we dive into the tips, let's quickly cover the basics. Google AdSense is a powerful advertising program that allows website owners like you to monetize their content by displaying relevant ads. But getting approved can sometimes be a bit tricky. Fear not, we are here to help you navigate through the process. Tip number 1: high quality content. First and foremost, Google values high quality original content. Make sure your website is filled with well-written articles, engaging videos, or captivating images that cater to your target audience. Remember, content is king. Take the time to research and create content that provides real value to your visitors. This not only attracts more users but also demonstrates to Google that your website is a reputable source. Tip number 2: responsive design. Moving on to tip number 2, ensure your website has a responsive design. Google wants to make sure your website looks and functions well across various devices, from desktop to smartphones and tablets. A responsive design not only improves the user experience but also shows Google that you are committed to providing a seamless browsing experience for your visitors. Tip number 3: clear navigation. Now let's talk about navigation. It's crucial that your website is easy to navigate. A well-organized menu, clear categories, and attractive user interface are key elements that Google looks for. A smooth navigation experience keeps users engaged and encourages them to spend more time on your site. This positively impacts your chances of getting approved by Google AdSense. Tip number 4: privacy policy and about page. Tip number 4 centers around transparency. Make sure your website has a clearly visible privacy policy and an informative about page. These sections show that you are committed to transparency and professionalism. A privacy policy explains how you handle user data, and an about page provides information about your website's purpose and the people behind it. Tip number 5: original images and videos. Last but not least, use original images and videos. Google prefers unique, highly quality multimedia content that adds value to your website. Avoid using stock images excessively, and if you do use them, try to add your own unique twist. Original visuals make your website stand out and contribute to a more authentic user experience. And there you have it, our top tips and tricks to get your website approved by Google AdSense. Remember, the key is to provide value, maintain a user-friendly experience, and showcase your website's professionalism. Now I want to tell you the steps to submit your website for Google AdSense approval. So open the Google AdSense website and click on Get Started. You have to log in here through your Google account. Enter your website link here, and if you want suggestion from Google AdSense, you can check first option, otherwise you can check second option. Now select your country and accept this agreement. Finally click on Start using AdSense. Now you have to enter more information about you. Select your account type, that is, you can select individual or business. Enter your name, address, suburb, city and phone number. Then click on Submit. Now open Connect Your Site page, and here you can see the code provided by Google AdSense. You have to paste this code in your website head section. It's easy to paste, and if you don't know, you can watch my previous video given in I button. The process I told in that video will be same here. After pasting this code in your website head section, you can check the I have placed the code and click on Next. After that, your website will submit for Google AdSense approval. Approval may take 1 week, 15 days or even 1 month. Before submitting your website, focus on the requirements I have told you earlier. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content. If you have any questions or additional tips, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.